StarTech NOTECONS01, the tiny crash cart that puts big KVM rigs to shame. Stuck in a freezing server room at 2 a.m., wrestling with dead consoles, tangled carts, and wasted minutes? It's maddening. The gear you rely on feels bulky, outdated, or flat out unreliable. You drag it around only to hit roadblocks. No focus, no access, no progress. Suddenly, every fix takes longer, your patience thins, and your energy drains. Deadlines crush harder when a server won't boot, network access fails, and you're fumbling with clunky carts. Stress spikes, burnout creeps in. The clock ticks while your team waits, helpless, staring at you for answers. Every missed opportunity gnaws at you. You're left asking, how many more nights will vanish into frustration because your tools can't keep up? Enter the StarTech NOTECONS01 portable laptop crash cart adapter, your instant reset button for chaos. This pocket-sized tool turns any laptop into a full KVM console, eliminating the need for bulky monitors, keyboards, or mice. Plug it in and get true BIOS or post access, even when remote management fails. Its integrated retractable cable, with DB9 adapter included, keeps setups neat, portable, and legacy-friendly. With support for VGA up to 1920 by 1200, multi-platform keyboard emulation, USB, PS2, SUN, and USB bus power, it's built for any situation. Imagine walking into a dead rack, everyone panicking, and in under a minute you've got video, keyboard, and mouse control, like a tech magician pulling servers back to life. Once, during an iDRAC failure, this adapter saved a data center engineer's night, letting him reflash BIOS directly and restore operations in record time. It's not just a tool. It's peace of mind, ready in your laptop bag. The benefits are real and proven. IT pros rave about streamlined workflows. No more lugging carts. Just plug, troubleshoot, and move on. Influencers call it a tiny lifesaver and showcase it in their everyday go bags. Industry analysts praise its integrated cabling and rugged build, noting it's a smart modernization of the crash cart. Real users celebrate the time it saves. I can walk up to a server, connect, and fix BIOS issues in seconds. System admins with mixed legacy gear love the included DB9 adapter, saying it prevents costly downtime. Experts highlight how manual video adjustment and firmware updates make it flexible for tricky post screens. And the USB self-power design? Total game changer. No hunting for outlets. No drained laptop batteries. Could a pocket-sized adapter really replace bulky KVM carts? Thousands already say yes. It's lighter, faster, and more reliable than dragging old consoles around. Whether you're reviving dead servers, configuring routers, or managing kiosks, the NOTECONS01 doesn't just keep up. It puts you a step ahead. Once you've tried it, bulky carts feel prehistoric. Don't wait. This adapter sells out fast. IT pros everywhere already carry the StarTech NOTECONS01 as their secret weapon for data centers, ATMs, kiosks, and servers. Why gamble with downtime when one pocket-sized tool delivers total control? Secure yours today before stocks vanish. Limited supply, unlimited uptime. Join thousands who've ditched the crash cart and never looked back. Act now. Claim your edge and turn chaos into control. Because in IT, seconds matter, and this gadget gives them back.